Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health and studies at home. This is your grade 7, English language, grammar skills, video lecture number 3. Your chapter number is 19 and topic is conditional sentences. Now listen and watch carefully to understand the topic. Okay, so what are conditional sentences? A conditional sentence usually contains a clause beginning with if or unless. For example, if everyone helps, the job will soon be finished. Do not phone this number unless there is an emergency. In first example, if is used in the beginning of the first clause of sentence, whereas in the second example unless is used in the beginning of second clause of that sentence. The two examples given on previous page are first conditional sentences. The verb in the if, unless clause is in the present tense. The verb in the other clause, the main clause, is in the future tense or in the imperative. An if clause can come before or after the main clause, but an unless clause usually comes second. As we have discussed, in first conditional sentences the clause starting with if or unless is always in present tense, like in previous examples you can see, if everyone helps, and, unless there is an emergency. In these clauses the verbs, helps, and, there is, are in present tense. The main clause uses future tense, a verb like in the previous example, the job will soon be finished. The verb, will, is future tense. The main clause can also be an imperative like, do not phone this number. In this clause, do not, is imperative. First conditional sentences express a real possibility. They talk about something that is likely to happen. Sometimes, can, is used in either clause of a first conditional sentence. For example, he cannot fix the clock if he does not have the right tools. Do not go in the water unless you can swim. Can is used in both main and conditional clause. Assignment. Students, solve the given exercises in your workbook on the following pages. Page number 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. Complete your work as it would be checked by your teacher after summer vacations. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of the Broadway School for further video lectures. Take care. Allah Hafiz.